Hello, today we're going to change the fuel filter on 2008 Ford F150. Disconnected here, disconnected here. I'm going to replace the fuel filter. Got the Ford Motorcraft filter. So you pry this tab up, the release. You're going to get your quick disconnect tool, put it on the line. There it goes. Got the one side off. Now to get this side off, just gonna push this in and rotate that out. I'm gonna disconnect it here. All right. We got it free. The fuel's gonna drip out. Have a drip pan. New fuel filter. New fuel filter has an arrow pointing towards the engine. That's how it's going to install. Just push up on the bracket. Push the fuel filter up out of the bracket. Push the new one in. Install it. Push the hose back on. Click. We got this. Got the safety connector back on. Make sure the fuel filter is in front of this tab right there, so it's sitting even. Put the other connector back on until it clicks. Push this tab down. Fuel filter is replaced. Clamps are back in. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, leave it in the comments below.